Hello everyone, welcome back to the DelphStack Tech Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google Drive to your File Explorer so you can access all your files easily. Just like any folder on your computer. It is very simple, so let's get started. Just go to your browser and search for Download Google Drive for Desktop. Open this link from Google Workspace. You can see Download Drive for Desktop. Click on it and wait a few seconds for it to download. Once the download is complete, open the Setup file. You will see a small window asking for installation options. You can click on this. It will add an application shortcut to your desktop. Click on Install and wait a few seconds for the installation. Once it is done, you will see a message saying Google Drive successfully installed. Now click on Launch. You will again be asked to sign in with your Google account. Let's get started and sign in. I will select my email account for signing in. Once you are signed in, Google Drive will connect to your computer. Google Drive will give you the option to sync folders from your computer to the cloud. You can choose which folders to sync now or skip this step to do it later. Click on Got It to finish the setup. Click on Open File Explorer to see your drives in File Explorer. You can see your Google Drive here, and that's it. Super simple. Now, your Google Drive is fully integrated with your computer, making it easy to manage your files without opening a browser every time. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more easy tech tutorials.